Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the unemployment scheme in Andhra Pradesh. This scheme offers crucial financial support to eligible individuals. We will cover everything from understanding the scheme's benefits, checking if you meet the eligibility criteria, and gathering all the necessary documents. Then, we will walk through the entire online application process, ensuring you have a clear guide to successfully submit your application. Let's get started. To be eligible for this scheme, you must be a permanent resident of Andhra Pradesh. Your age should fall between 18 and 35 years, and you need to possess a bachelor's degree or a diploma certificate. Crucially, you must be currently unemployed and actively seeking work. For documentation, ensure you have your Aadhaar card, a copy of your bank passbook, domicile certificate, and an unemployment certificate ready. A white ration card and a passport-size photograph are also typically required. The application process is primarily online. First, visit the official Andhra Pradesh government portal dedicated to the unemployment scheme. Look for and click on the Apply Here or Login link to access the application form. Carefully fill in all your personal, educational, and contact information. Next, upload scanned copies of all the required documents we discussed. Before final submission, thoroughly review all entered details for accuracy. Finally, submit your application and keep the acknowledgement for future reference. After you submit your application, the concerned authorities will verify all the details and documents provided. Once your application is approved and you are deemed eligible, you will begin receiving the benefits. The scheme provides a monthly allowance of 3,000 rupees. This amount is directly transferred to your Aadhaar-linked bank account. This financial assistance aims to support unemployed youth in Andhra Pradesh while they continue their search for stable employment opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.